All right, so we're going to show you how to change the battery in this FOB. And it's a little tricky. First, you've got to get this out. And the way you do that is you got to press the side here. And it slides out like that. Now, you've got to be very careful when you do this because this is spring-loaded, this action right here. If you're not careful, the spring pops out when you do this, and you end up having the spring somewhere on the ground where you can't find it. So you're going to get in here, you're going to turn it and slowly, and then you're just going to push it very easily up. Now, the key here is you don't want to lose this mechanism. So what I do is I flip it over, and just kind of, it's nice and easy, pop it out so that that all sits in there. If you don't, there's a little spring there, and that thing will pop out, and then you're in trouble. And there's your battery. Now you got to get the battery out. So you may need a little tool to do that. I have these little Apple tools that I use. And I can get right in there and pop it out. Just like that. And take a look at this battery. It's a 2032, so that's the one you need, right? So then you're going to go here and get your battery out. These are Duracell, so they should be, you know, good. I got to cut it. So it says cut on this line, right? All right, so I did. Let's see if we can get the battery out now. So this is completely wrapped in plastic, so you got to cut all the way around here to get to the battery. This is harder than changing the thing. Okay, we got it out. Look at that mess. All right, so now when you put it in here, you've got to put it with the face down, right? So you got to get her in like that. You're just going to snap it in like that, right? And then really basically all you have to do here is just flip her around, set it on there like that, right? And you're just going to make sure you're good, and then you just got to kind of smush it together like that. Bam, done. Then you can put your key in just like this, and now it should be ready to go. You should be able to go ahead and open up your car. We'll see if it works now. Let's see if this thing works. I guess we can lock the car. I'll just see if it locks. Yep, unlock. Bam, done. All right, so that definitely worked. Hey, look, there I am. So here, watch. Lock, unlock. Bam, Bob's your uncle. Just make sure you got a good battery when you put it in there. All right, so what's the issue? Let's go, come on, open up the door. Get in here.
So when you go in to start the car, it said battery life. Oh, so.
Where's it at?
Well, it's not coming up now. It said it automatically.
Oh, okay.
Battery life was 0%.
Oh, so
now we know that it's.
So we know it's good.
That it's legit.
Okay, cool. I wish I'd gotten that on the video.
Yeah.
People, when this thing's getting low, it tells you on your dashboard. Just know that. Thank you, Christine.
Yeah.
Do you like being in my videos?